Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make landscape table in portrait document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to make landscape table in this portrait document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table. Now we want to make this table landscape. Click the table in the middle of this page. Then resize the table landscape. Now we can see we make this table landscape, this portrait document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.